LandLord was started in 1995. The founder of the company at the time was working in corporate relocations, which is sort of a parallel industry from a customer service perspective. A friend of his approached him and mentioned that she had been relocated overseas for work, and rather than sell her home, she wanted to rent it out, but was daunted by the idea of managing that process herself. 30 years ago, residential property management in the city wasn't nearly as comprehensive or as sophisticated as it is today. And in recognizing an opportunity, he decided to take on the file himself. And that's really where it started. He built the company from there, one property at a time. And today we have over 1,000 clients around the world and 2,500 units under management across the GTA. The renovations division was really born out of necessity. Each month, as tenants leave their rental units, we were trying to mobilize as quickly as we could to restore those spaces and get them ready for new families to move into. We had been relying on outside contractors to assist with those repairs and those renovations, and we found that we had very little control over the timelines, the quality of work, and the cost. We started to build our own team. It started small with things like drywall repair, tile work, painting, and in time, as our confidence grew and our skills grew, we grew that team. Today, we have a number of exciting projects on the go. I think our most popular and most effective is the conversion of a single-family space into a multi-unit dwelling. Not only are we increasing the cash flow for the client and the resale value of that property, but we're also adding much-needed rental stock back into the market. The real estate brokerage was created to help streamline our leasing. We were relying on local realtors to help us with our re-rentals each month, and we noticed that few of them were fluent in the Residential Tenancies Act, and we really needed to have that understanding in place so that we could protect our clients and their properties. By starting the brokerage, we were able to take full control of the process, and in time we built a really incredible community of tenants. Our clients saw what we were doing and their trust in us and in the brokerage grew to the point where we were able to have meaningful conversations about how to best optimize their existing portfolios, whether that was to help them acquire new investment properties or to sell maybe an underperforming asset or a tricky tenanted multi-residential space. Those conversations resulted in many successful transactions, and today we've been able to position ourselves as an investment-focused full-service real estate brokerage in the city. I really believe that we're the best at what we do. We are large enough to be incredibly efficient, but we're still small enough and boutique enough to be thoughtful and methodical about the way that we work. We've been focused on property management for almost 30 years, and the team now consists of not only property managers, but we have administrators and real estate brokers and design consultants, non-resident tax advisors. We even have a software developer to help with our client portal. That kind of collaboration and expertise really informs everything that we do, and it allows us to take in feedback from our clients and our tenants in real time and react to it in a really dynamic way. That kind of collaboration and that kind of sharing of knowledge has caused us to evolve to a point where the service that we're providing is one of the best in the city. There's incredible value there.